Welcome back to an episode of Joe's Garage. So today we're working on the 2019 Lexus ES. I have an F Sport, but that's irrelevant. The windshield wipers. So a lot of times you want to replace these or winterize them and you can't because it hits right there, or you want to change the wiper blade. So there's what's called the service mode to put this car in. Let me show you. Simply go in your car, foot on the brake, turn on the car. Once the car is on, all you have to do is turn the car off, but immediately after, push the windshield wiper thing up and voila, it will go into service mode. That will allow you now to easily change your windshield wipers. You can pull them away to service them if you want to winterize them, if you wanted to do things for them. And just like that. Also, if you want to change these windshield wipers, underneath here, there's a little tab right here. Push that in and then the whole thing will slide. That's how you change the windshield wiper of a 2019 to 24 ES Lexus. And once you're done, to get it out of service mode, simply get back in your car, turn your car on, and just push this down and back to a normal position, and you are good to go.